Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel in continuation of our HTML tutorial. So guys, remember in our last tutorial we treated the HTML list where we saw the ordered and unordered listing, and we saw how you can be able to apply it in your work and also in your navigation bar. Now today, this video I'm going to be treating the HTML comment is going to be a short video, so it's important to know HTML comment so you can know how you can comment out your code. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell, so whenever we publish a new video, you're going to be the first to get notified. And if you have any question, please make use of the comment section. I will be right there to attend to you. Please share our videos and like our videos so that I can able to bring you more videos as we progress. Now, okay, this is what we created in our last video. Let me just delete all of them from here to the body. Remember, all these things I'm deleting, I'm not deleting the body, because the body is where you actually type your build your website. It's just the body of a website. So I'm not deleting the body. And anything I'm typing is within the body of my HTML document. So now, to write a comment is not displayed in the browser, get, but you can use a comment to document your source code. When I mean your source code, it's just like your code used in building your website, you get. So you can actually use comment to document them. Let's take for example, now you are building under a team. Maybe you have a team of developers you are building websites with, and maybe your own part of the website is to design the navigation bar. Another person's part of the website is to design the hero section of the website. Another person is to design the footer section of the website. Another person is to design the body of the website. Now, you are done designing your own. Now, if you hand it over to another person, another team member in your team, if you hand it over to that person might find it difficult, especially if you have a lot of code there. You might find it difficult to start rotating where you started your navigation bar or where you ended your navigation bar. Yeah, especially when you have a lot of code there. So with the HTML comments, you can be able to make that work easier for that person to locate where you started and ended your own part of the code. You get that person will just see a comment and say, okay, this is where you started, okay, this is where you ended. Then from there, you now check if there's any error or if there's any bug there and actually debug it. You get. So this is what comment helps to helps in web development. It helps to document your source code and also make it easy for people to locate your code. You get. So that's it. So this is what I'm going to be treating in this video. So guys, please stay tuned and subscribe. So let's go to the business. Now, the syntax for HTML comment is written like this: your less than, exclamation mark, dash dash, then the ending should be, this is the opening side. Then you now write your comment, write your comment here, then the closing one should be dash dash, then you close the greater than with, sorry, the less than with greater than. This is the syntax for writing HTML comment. Remember, HTML comment. If you go to JavaScript, it's going to be different thing. If you go to PHP, it's going to be a different thing. So this one is for HTML comment. This is the syntax for writing HTML comment. Yes. So the first one, mind there is no exclamation mark here. There's no exclamation mark in the ending part, in the closing tag of it. You don't add the exclamation mark here. It's going to be error. So it's only, you can see only this thing. The exclamation mark is only found in the opening tag of the comment uh, comment syntax. It's only found in the opening tag, opening section, opening side of the comment. Again, it's not found in the closing side of it. So you might be mindful of what you are typing. So this is syntax for writing comment. So inside this place now, I say write a comment here. This is when you now code your build your write. Maybe say my navigation bar starts here. Nav bar starts here. Then you let me bring out my navbar. Inside my navbar, we have treated this in our last tutorial. I can have my LI, sorry, I can have my UL. Let me use another listing. Inside my UL, I can have my LI. Inside my LI, I can have my anchor tag. And inside this anchor tag, I can have my about us. About us. Can duplicate this. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Contact us. I can say contact us here. Contact us. Here is can say privacy. Privacy. Then here should be okay, let me just show shop. Now this is our navigation bar, for example. This is a navigation bar. Now this is where our navigation bar ends. Then you can now bring out another comment and say, okay, exclamation mark dash dash. Already this my listing code editor is user friendly. That's why once I write my dash dash, it's going to bring out the completion of it. Well, let me just delete it and write it myself. It's better you write it yourself so that to master you, I keep saying it. All these automated something is not actually good for a beginner. You get so you have to write these things by yourself so that it will enter your hand. Because some people, if you go for interview, they will give you code editor that is not user friendly. And if you don't know this syntax, you'll find it very hard to achieve that task. So dash dash again, then greater than. This is the syntax. Then inside this syntax, open and closing one. Inside this space now, these are you now write navigation navbar ends here. Navbar ends here. Now this code this navbar ends here, you will not see it in the browser. And this navbar starts here, you will not see it in the browser. You get it? So I say navbar is not seen in the browser, but you can use it to document your source code. So you cannot see these two codes in the browser. You can only see this one that is visible. You get it? So this is how you comment one line code. This is a one line code. It's a one line code. So this is how you comment one line code with HTML. So let's preview this and check. Let's preview this and check. Okay, let me go to my RAS server. Let me go to my RAS server. I seen it. You're not seeing any. Let me close all these things. All this stuff. I seen it. You're not seeing any. You're not seeing this particular code there. This particular code. My navbar starts here and navbar ends here. Cannot see it. But if you preview, if you source out this code now, if you go to inspect, you can be able to see it. But on the home page of the website, you cannot see it. But this particular code is inside the code, but you cannot see it in the browser. Get unless you go and inspect the website before you can be able to see it. Now, if you want to inspect your website or any website at all, you can just come to that place, right click outside. When you right click, you go to inspect. When you go to inspect, you will see all the websites. Now, this is the body. Then open the body. You can see this is the body. Okay, I say this is the body. You open it, you click on that arrow to bring it out. Okay, you can see all the body, all the code inside the body. You can see that that comment. Are you seeing the comment? Are you seeing the ending part of the comment? Are you seeing it? Then inside the navigation bar, you can open the navigation bar to see the details under the navigation bar using the arrow. You can see the arrow. You click on it. You can see you will see the UL. Inside the UL, you also have code inside the UL. You can open UL. You can see the RI. Inside the RI, you also have code inside the RI. You open it and see about us. Are you seeing it? About us is there. So inside this second RI, you can see contact us. So this is how you inspect a particular page. You can see the HTML, all the HTML code they use there. This is how you inspect a particular code, a particular document, HTML document, any on another website. You will see all the HTML code they use for that particular page. So guys, you can see the work of this particular comment. Now, if another developer if you hand over this particular job or this particular website to another developer to continue, maybe you have a lot of code here, as in many code here, and you hand it over to another developer to continue. Okay, that developer, once developer sees this particular, once that developer sees this particular comment, he will he will stop and check what is there. You get, now seeing that navigation bar starts here, okay, I say okay, this is where the navigation bar starts. Assuming there is error here, you can say okay, this is where I will now start finding my error, because the error is saying that it's inside the navigation bar. You get, so the person will now say okay, this is where the navigation bar starts and this is where the navigation bar ends. So within this place, this is where I'm going to find my error and fix it. You get, so this is the work of comment. It's very useful. It's very useful, so that if you're working with a team, or even if you're not working with a team, if it's your own code and you have a lot of code, it's better you use the comment to document your code, so that you find it more easier to find your error and debug it. So guys, this is how you can be able to comment a one-line code in HTML. Now, as me want to comment a lot of code, maybe you don't need these things again, from navigation bar to this nav opening tag of nav to the closing tag of nav, and when you don't need the code again, you want to remove the code, you want to temporarily remove it, you not permanently remove, because you can actually uncomment it. If you want to uncomment it, you just have to remove this thing, this one, and remove this one. You will see, let's check our code. You will see this particular nav bar starts here. It will appear on our website. Are you seeing it? Nav bar starts here. If you want to remove this, inspect this thing console, you can come here and close it. You can close, you just close it. You can now see this nav bar starts here, because I have removed that particular comment. Now, but you cannot see this one because I've not removed the comment. So if you want to remove it, you just have to delete this comment syntax you added here. You can be able to see it. I seen it. So comment is not displayed in the browser, but you can use it to document your code, your source code. Now, assuming I don't want these things, maybe I don't want this particular nav bar. I want to start, maybe it's I made a mistake in writing this particular nav bar, and I don't want to actually delete it permanently. Maybe I will still need it in future. You get, so I have to comment it out, because I will still need it in future. I don't need to delete it, so that when I want to use it, I will start typing it again. So what I have to do is just to comment it temporarily, to remove it temporarily, so that whenever I need it in future, I can actually go there and uncomment it. You get, so I just have to come here and put the opening tag of the comment, which is what, greater than, exclamation mark, dash dash. This is the opening tag. Let me delete this opening tag. You can see it's highlighting all of them. If you want to see this sign, it's a sign of comment. But if you leave it like this, it's going to be error, because you are also commenting the closing tag of the HTML tag and the body also. So this is where I want to start the comment, and this is where I want to end the comment here, because this is where the navbar ends. Now I have to come here and close the comment I opened up. Now if you want to close it, remember dash dash greater than. You can see it has commented only this navigation bar. Now if after this comment now, and if I start typing something, let me type my p tag, let me type my role, let me type my role, this is my role. Now you can see that this one, I can see this one in my browser, but these ones I have commented, I will not see it because I've already commented them. So let's check. You can see I'm no longer seeing that navigation bar, but it's still inside our code. If you inspect this place, you inspect it. If you go to body, you open your body, you see the comments. You can see it here. It's still inside our code, but user cannot see it. You can already inspect it. So I have deleted it temporarily. You get, so you can still bring it out. You can see this in the paragraph tag. So maybe in future I still want to use it, and I can just come here and remove this comment and remove this one also, and I should be able to see it. You can see. I seen it here. So this is how you comment in HTML. Like I said, this video is not going to be long. This is just a comment. It's very easy. So that is a short way to do it, which I'm going to show you guys in our subsequent videos. Yeah, but for now, just know this is how you comment. That's a short way you can actually comment without having to type all these things. You get. But I'm not going to show you guys the short way now. Just learn it the hard way. Then when we now progress in our subsequent videos, I will introduce the shortcuts. You get. As a beginner, you don't actually need to know the shortcut yet. You have to do it the hard way. You get. You have to know the process to write it, how to write it, how to code it. You get. You don't do copy and paste as a beginner. So that's it. So guys, this is where we are going to end this tutorial. Remember, if you want to comment one line code, you just have to, okay, for example now, okay, let me just do another example. If I want to comment this particular line of code, okay, let me use English that you understand. This is a comment. This is a comment. I want to comment this. This is a comment. I want to comment it out. I don't want to see it in my code. Remember, I'm still seeing it. Look at it. I'm seeing it here. I want to remove it temporarily. So what I have to do is to come to the place that's starting of this and put my opening tag of the comment, exclamation mark, dash, dash. That is commenting every other thing after this thing. So I have to end it, end the comment here. But this is where I want to end the comment. I have to put the dash, dash again, greater than. So I will not see this. This is a comment. I will not see it again. Let's check. You can see it's no longer here. It's no longer, but it's still in the code. If you inspect, it's still inside the code, but it's not being displayed in the browser. The copy tag. You can see this is a comment. I seen it. This is a comment. And let me remove it here. Let me remove it here. You can see, can actually, let's check. You can see it's back here. You get. So this is how you can actually comment in HTML. Let me put it back again. Edit as HTML. You can see. You can actually edit it here, sure. Okay, so you can remove it here. But one thing with this one is once you refresh, everything you have edited will go. Everything you have edited here will just disappear. You see, you can see that this is a comment. It's here now, but once I refresh here now, it will just disappear. You can see it will disappear to go back to the first one. So this is just like temporarily editing. So that's it. You can see it has come back again. If you want to edit, you just have to right click, edit as HTML. You come here and remove the stuff, the enter, click outside, it will come. But once you refresh, it's going to go. Just bear it in mind. So this is just like temporarily editing. And if you want to edit your code, you go to your main source of the code, to the main source of the code and edit it and save. It will reflect. So this is where you're going to end the tutorial today. So guys, in our next tutorial, we're going to be teaching you guys another interesting topic. Please don't miss this next tutorial for anything. Don't miss the next tutorial for anything. We are going to be teaching you guys HTML media. Very, very important. HTML, audio, picture, documents, video, and so on and so forth. We are going to be teaching all the HTML media in our next tutorial. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever we publish a new video or a new content or a new update, you'll be the first to get notified. So watch out for our next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.